G'day, here's a seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres. That's a 6-inch rule, 150 mils. They're all quite large pieces, as you can see here. It's over 50 mil long. It's not high grade colour, but there is some of the pieces with colour, and great for carving pieces if you want to carve shapes. A piece like that, there's a bit of crystal there. Some of it's, like I say, hasn't got as much colour, but I'll just zoom in so we get a better look at it. I'll just go around a bit, haven't moved the pieces. I'll bring the rule with me so you can see. Go on a bit closer and pick up a few of the bits. Okay, here's that bit of crystal that I picked up earlier. Pieces like this. Some has more colour than others. Other pieces you'll find, probably like this bit, mightn't have much at all in it. But there is a seam there where it goes in. How far and what have you, don't know, but it's all part of the fun. There's a piece of a bit more sort of whiter material. You can see a little bit of colour showing through here. Colour stops and starts in this material sometimes, so you don't know what you're going to get inside. I'm not going to pick up every piece. It's one of the better pieces, I would imagine. Lends itself to carving relief shapes. We'll just call it potch and colour mixed. That bit could go in the bin, I think. Person that wants to do some bigger pieces of carving, large shaped pieces, might be a deal for you. Anyway, I think I've shown you a fair bit. You can see that you're getting your money's worth in this. Like I say, they're all big pieces. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.